Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Realme 6S, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search and get application to transfer data. We're going to use Clone It. Okay, and we are offline, so let's turn on the Bluetooth, tap on directory, click install. And of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. I just did it, and right now I can open this application. Click open also on your Realme, click allow a few times, tap on the yes, I agree, and right now we are sending data from this smartphone, so click here sender, and receiver on the Realme 6S. Click allow all the time, tap set, use the switcher, go back and click receiver one more time, then tap on the search again. And again, and right now they are looking for each other, so we have to be patient. And here it is. Accept the pair. Right here we got two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code. Click, tap, allow, grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code, and right now accept the request on the Android smartphone. And if you want to take everything, you have to select all of these icons and then tap start. But if you want to get only some details, you have to click here, and for example let's go for the music, and I'm going to send I think 2 songs, this one and this one. Click start, okay, and it's finished. As you can see, it's very easy and very fast. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.